Welcome. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes if you'd like, and simply let your hands rest open in your lap. You don't need to do anything perfectly right now. Just arrive here. If you've ever felt like your breathing has a mind of its own, like your chest is too tight, your breath too shallow, your body running on a frequency you didn't choose, this practice is for you. You don't need to fix your breathing right now. You don't need to control it, force it, or make it look a certain way. What we're going to do together over the next 20 minutes is something gentler than that. We're going to learn how to stop fighting it. Because here's something important I want you to hear before we begin. The anxiety you feel around your breathing, that panic when you can't catch your breath, that spiral when you become too aware of each inhale, that is incredibly common. And it makes complete sense. When something as automatic as breathing suddenly feels manual, it's terrifying. Your body goes into alert mode. Your mind tries to take over. And then the harder you try to breathe correctly, the worse it feels. So we are not going to try harder today. We are going to try softer. Let's begin by simply noticing. Don't change anything yet. Just bring your awareness to the fact that your body is already breathing. It was breathing before you got here. It has been breathing your entire life, even when you were asleep, even when you weren't thinking about it at all. Your breath is already happening. You are already surviving. Notice the rise and fall of your chest or your belly. Don't judge it. Don't label it as wrong. Just watch it the way you might watch clouds moving across the sky with a kind of easy, curious attention. Good. Now, very gently, we're going to introduce some rhythm. Not because your natural breath is broken, but because rhythm is one of the oldest, most reliable signals of safety that your nervous system knows. Think of waves on a shore, a steady heartbeat, a lullaby. Rhythm tells your body we are okay, we can slow down. Here is what we'll be doing. You'll breathe in for a count of 4, you'll hold gently for a count of 4, and you'll breathe out slowly for a count of 6. That longer exhale is the key. It activates the part of your nervous system responsible for calm. It is, quite literally, a signal to your brain that the danger has passed. If at any point the counts feel uncomfortable, if holding feels too long or the exhale feels forced, please adjust. Breathing a little shorter is always better than straining. This is not a performance. This is a practice. Let's try one round together slowly. Breathe in through your nose. 2, 3, 4. Hold gently. 2, 3, 4. And breathe out through your mouth or nose, your choice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Let your next breath come naturally for a moment. Don't rush back into the pattern. Let your body decide when it's ready. Notice if anything shifted, even the smallest thing. Maybe your shoulders dropped half an inch. Maybe the tightness in your chest loosened just slightly. These small shifts matter. They are your nervous system responding. They are proof that your body already knows how to move toward calm. It just sometimes needs an invitation. Let's go again. This time, I want you to imagine that each exhale is like setting something down. Whatever you carried in here with you today, the worry, the tension, the mental noise, you don't have to hold all of that in your hands right now. With every breath out, you can set a little of it down. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. And breathe out, letting something go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good, and breathe naturally. You're doing beautifully. I mean that. Just the act of showing up here, of pressing play and giving yourself this time, that is already an act of care. It already matters. Let's continue building our rhythm. We'll do several rounds now, and I'll guide you through each one. Let my voice be the anchor. You don't have to think ahead. You don't have to wonder if you're doing it right. Just follow along, one breath at a time. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let your body breathe naturally for a moment. I want to pause here and talk to you gently about something. If your mind wandered just now, if you found yourself thinking about something else, worrying about whether you were doing it right, or if you lost count, that is completely normal. That is what minds do. You haven't failed. You haven't broken the exercise. All you ever need to do when you notice your mind has drifted is come back. No frustration required, no starting over. Just a quiet, simple return. The breath is always here waiting for you. It never goes anywhere. Now we're going to deepen the practice a little. We'll stay with the same counts, but I want to invite you to bring your attention to a specific place in your body. Place one hand on your belly, just below your navel if that feels comfortable. When we breathe into the belly rather than just the chest, we engage our diaphragm more fully. This sends a powerful message of safety to the nervous system. It's the kind of breath a sleeping child takes, full, round, unhurried. You may not feel your belly move very much at first, and that's okay. Just the intention of directing your breath downward is enough to begin shifting things. Let's breathe together with this awareness. Breathe in, letting your belly rise. 2, 3, 4, hold softly. 2, 3, 4, breathe out, letting your belly fall. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, belly rising. 2, 3, 4, hold. 2, 3, 4, breathe out, belly falling. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, hold. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let your breath find its own pace for a moment. Feel the weight of your body in your seat, the ground beneath you, the solid, reliable support that has been there this entire time without you having to ask for it. You are held right now by the chair or the floor beneath you, by the steadiness of your own body, which has kept you here through every difficult moment you have ever faced. Let that land for a second. Your body has kept you here every single time. We're going to move into a longer, continuous sequence now. I'll guide you through several minutes of rhythmic breathing. Let the counts become almost like music in the background, something steady to move with, not something to achieve. Whenever you feel ready, let's begin. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, hold. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, hold. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, hold. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, hold. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, hold. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let yourself breathe freely for a few moments. Just natural, easy breath. Notice how your body feels right now compared to when you first arrived. Maybe there's more space in your chest. Maybe your jaw has unclenched a little. Maybe your thoughts are moving more slowly. Whatever you notice, it belongs to you. You did that. We're going to shift gears slightly now and move into something even softer. For this next section, we're going to release the holds entirely. Just a gentle breathe in and a slow breathe out. Like a sigh, but intentional. Like your body is releasing something it no longer needs to carry. No effort, no control, just flow. Breathe in for 4, 2, 3, 4, and breathe out for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let it go. Let your body breathe however it wants to now. You've been doing something remarkable these past several minutes. Every time anxiety told you that breathing was something to fear, you stayed anyway. Every time the urge arose to clench or control, you chose to soften instead. That is courage. Quiet, unglamorous, real courage. And I want to tell you something about anxiety and breath, because understanding this has helped so many people find relief. When we're anxious, we tend to breathe high and fast up in the chest, quick and shallow. This actually creates more of the physical symptoms of anxiety: dizziness, tingling, a feeling that something is wrong, and then your mind, looking for a reason, decides something must be wrong with your breathing. And the loop begins. What you've been doing tonight is interrupting that loop. Not by forcing your breathing into submission, but by giving your nervous system something different to follow. A rhythm, a signal, a reason to believe it can rest. And the more you practice this, even 5 minutes a day, even in small moments, the more familiar this feeling of ease becomes to your nervous system. The more quickly it can find its way back here. We're in the final stretch now. Let's do one last long sequence together. Let this one be the softest yet. Imagine you're breathing in something golden and warm and breathing out anything gray or heavy. You don't have to visualize it perfectly, just hold the feeling of receiving something good and releasing something old. Breathe in warmth. 2, 3, 4, and breathe out what you no longer need. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now just breathe. Whatever comes naturally, no count, no guidance. Just you and your breath moving together the way they always have, the way they always will. Rest here for a moment. Notice the quiet. Notice the steadiness. Notice that right now, in this moment, you are breathing, and you are okay. When you're ready, begin to gently deepen your breath. Bring a little movement to your fingers and toes. Maybe roll your shoulders slowly. Let awareness come back into the room around you. The sounds, the light, the feel of the surface beneath you. Take one more full breath in, and let it all the way out. There you are. Thank you for spending these 20 minutes with yourself. You showed up when anxiety made it hard, you stayed when it would have been easy to give up, and you are leaving with something real, a little more trust in your body, and a little more proof that calm is always available to you. It lives in your breath. It is always just one slow exhale away. Come back here whenever you need it. You are not alone in this, and you are doing so much better than you know.